welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today I have for you an updated closet organizing, decluttering, makeover kind of video. One of my most popular videos on my channel is how I organize my small New York City closet and how I made it a lot bigger and how I organize it. I showed you guys a DIY/hack on how to add some shelves to your closet and make it bigger, but it's been 2 years, almost 3, and it's been through hell and back, let me just say, because the shelves that I added, almost all of them fell. I'm not a professional. I did it all by hand, all alone, and it was my very first time. So obviously I didn't probably do it the best way. It did work out for a long time, but after a while it just started to fall down. So I decided to revamp it and do it a little bit different. I bought a few things and shelves that I don't necessarily have to DIY because we're moving soon and I don't want to invest in my closet anymore. So I'm going to roll a clip of me decluttering and getting rid of 70% of my closet. Alright, so this is what we're working with. We're going to be organizing and cleaning this hot mess, but most of all decluttering and getting rid of stuff and just spring cleaning basically. Like I told you guys, these shelves down here all fell. I basically didn't do a good job, but first step is taking everything out of your closet. This is going to take some time, but it's going to make a huge difference when cleaning your closet because you're really going to get rid of things and find things that you probably didn't know that you had. So there you go. Here's what it looks like with everything out and my shelves being off, and also the holes that I have in my closet. But we're not focused with that right now. We're focused with this hot mess in my living room. I have piles and piles of clothes that we're going to be decluttering. And the way that I like to declutter is basically I like making 3 different piles. So I make one for my donations or things that I don't want. That's one pile. And then I make another pile of the things that I'm keeping and one of the maybes, which the maybes at the end I go over one more time and actually decide if I'm going to keep it or not. And I'm not gonna lie, choosing the items you're going to get rid of or keep is honestly the hardest step, at least for me, because I'm personally the type that I get attached to clothes because of memories, which makes it so much harder. But you have to be hard on yourself with this step and really ask yourself, did I use this last season? Am I going to use it this upcoming season? Have I used this in the last 3 months? There's items here that I honestly have years without using, and those are the ones that we have to get rid of and learn to let go and just stop telling ourselves, I'm going to use this one day, you know, because I know I'm not the only one. At least I hope so. Now, this is the shelf that I got from Amazon. It's basically a place where you could put cubes and organize it a lot better. I absolutely love this. I'm going to be listing it down below for you guys. I also got some cubes from Amazon. I wanted to put it in this wall, but it just didn't fit that way, so I had to fix the cubes in a different way, and I ended up putting it in the front wall. Pro tip when organizing your closet, by the way, is using the same color hanger. Your closet may not be organized, but if you have the same color hangers, it's just going to look like it is. And I think it's something that definitely just aesthetically looks a lot better. The way that I like to organize my clothes is by sections. If it was for me, I would totally do it color coordinated, but to me, it's honestly not practical that way. So what I do is I put all the trench coats together, all the leather jackets together, jean jackets together, dresses, shirts, you get the point. You know what I mean? I just feel like it's a lot better when looking for a certain item. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be using cubes to organize everything that's not in a hanger. I got these from Amazon. Again, I'll be listing down below for you guys. But I have my scarf, my hats, my onesies in one, my PJs. Pro tip, by the way, when organizing, if you roll everything up, it's going to give you so much space. Right here I have some t-shirts. Like I told you guys, rolling it up, it's going to give you a lot of space, girl. And then I also have my skirts, which are nicely folded and just standing. It's just easier to pull everything and keep it organized. And then my jeans, I just ended up folding them like so, and I organized them into one of the cubes from the shelf. that was pretty much it, you guys. I really liked how it turned out. It's a lot more organized, more clean, and I didn't have to ruin my hands drilling on the wall. Go watch my old closet organizing video. Anyways, I got rid of a lot of stuff, probably like 70% of my closet, which I'm proud and happy. I'm going to be posting some on Poshmark, others I'm going to be donating, of course. I don't just throw it away. So definitely go and follow me on Poshmark, that way you guys know when I post something there. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and found it interesting, helpful, because honestly it was extremely hard to film. Showing everything while I'm also decluttering, especially clothes, is extremely hard because for me, decluttering clothes is the hardest thing ever. I get attached to clothes like crazy because I connect them to memories and then I don't want to get rid of them, but I decided to be strong and I am so happy that I was able to get rid of so much. So again, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, let me know if you want to see more closet videos or more organizing, decluttering videos, and see you next time. Bye!